Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I just want to walk you through the process of just making a very simple omelette for breakfast. Promises to be a very simple and basic one that I believe anybody should be able to make. So without wasting too much of your time, let's get right into the cooking. So I've got some mushroom, Scotch bonnet, tomato. The Scotch bonnet is optional, by the way. Some egg, onion, and some spinach. So I'm going to start by just prepping my vegetable, and I'll start with the mushrooms first. And then the onion, and then for the Scotch bonnet, I'm just going to use half of this because I don't want it to be too spicy. And the spinach, just going to cut them. And that's it, we're ready to cook. We start with cooking the mushroom because they take the longest time. And pour it in the pan. Then we're going with the mushroom. And while we wait for our mushroom to be translucent, we're just gonna crack our eggs. And to season the egg, it's just gonna be some salt, just a little bit of brown powder. The egg together. And then we want to go in with our other vegetables, except the spinach. And we season lightly with just salt, a little salt, that's it. And then you just want to move this aside and get your eggs in there. And you can spread the mushrooms on it. Spread it around. And then you go in with your spinach. And just try and flip. That's the final product. Just gonna layer this on. Get some bread. Let's get this on. Close it up. All that is left is for us to give this a test. So let's see. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.